Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today's RHCSA exam question is: create a soft link of the etcfs file to the MNT directory. File name as vtap. Let's start. Type the following command to check present condition of MNT directory. We have to create the soft link here. Now type the following command to create a soft link of etcfs file under MNT directory named as vtap. Okay, let's check. Done. Soft link has been created successfully. For further verification, we can view the vtap file by cat command. Perfect. It's working fine. You can also edit the etcfs file through the mnt vtap file. Our question has been resolved successfully. Hope this video will be useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to boost us to make more knowledgeable tutorial videos. Thank you.